Hi there, so in this lecture we're going to talk about how to create a nice menu.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
And this is the menu. You can see that right now it's not nice and we're going to make it nicer. So here we go. You go to Dashboard, Appearance, Menus, right? I'll show you. So Dashboard, from there you click on Appearance, and from there you go to Menus. Appearance, Menus. And you see that you have a few menus. You can create your own. You can create a new one, or here is the link for that, and you probably want to do that. I've already created a new one, and it's called Alex navigation menu, just because my name is Alex. I didn't know what better name to call it. Usually you want to call it something more informative, but I figured I'd only have one menu, so so I'm going to select that. And that's actually already selected because that's the thing that we're going to work with. And here's what we're going to do. So what do we want to do? So first of all, we want to, home should be here, right? It should be the first thing. So why don't we have that? And by the way, home is an optional menu. You don't really need that. So here we go. So we're going to move this up and it just moved to the top. And we save the menu. And let's see, this should switch order. Yeah. And now we want to add the about page. So let's add to this menu. See, I had a page, about page. We added it to this menu. Now we're going to save this menu, and we should have another about page here. Very nice. Now, okay, what else do we want? We can have contact, we can have something else. We can have, one good thing is, like, if you're selling a product, you can have a product in there, or if you have the same with the book, or if you want to maybe add, some kind of an opt-in, that might be a good place to put it because it's visible from every page of the site. For me right now, there isn't a whole lot that I need to add. So that's just going to be it for here. The only thing I want to mention is, these are the pages you can add, but you can also link to things directly. And let's just test it here. So keep in touch. That's what I'm going to say. And I don't know exactly what the URL for this will be, but so let's say let's just copy the domain that I have here. And let's see, let's add this to menu. It's just a link, and then I might put like my social media buttons in there or email opt-in, and then you'll see that I have keep in touch. I think usually the about customarily is like the last thing on the right, so let's just move it up a little bit. So we move it down one, and let's save this menu. Saving. Now about should be moved down. So here we go. We have a menu that's kind of coming together, and that's about it. That's kind of how you create a basic menu for your site so that it looks professional and nice.